How to create Facebook Passkey. Open Facebook application. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top left corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings that you can see at top. You can access the settings. Tap on the option Account Center. Over here, tap on the option Password and Security. Find the option for Passkey under the section for Login and Recovery. Tap on the option Passkey. Tap on the option Create Passkey that you can see on screen. Tap on the option Create Passkey again. Now the passkey will be created for you. It will be saved in the Google Password Manager. You can also save another way by tapping on the option Save Another Way. Otherwise, tap on the option Continue. Use your screen lock in order to verify it's you. Now your passkey has been created. Like this, you can create Facebook passkey. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.